Racing championship between 6 cars. Nice, Tommy. One Russian car. It's Auto Grand Market Lada Granta. It's like a Zhiguli, as you know, Russian Lada 2107, real Zhiguli from Soviet Union, BMW from Seiko with opening door system, very wonderful car with a rubber wheels on it, premium one. Another one premium car, Mercedes, a wonderful vintage Mercedes-Benz. I very love this casting. It's from Seiko. If you want a review, please write in the comments. I will make an additional review for it. I very love Seiko models. Another one car today, it will be Technopark, Russian manufacturer. Santa Fe, Hyundai, but it's made in China, of course. Okay, let's start this little championship between these 6 cars, guys. It's Victor, it's WheelsHot channel, and today we have a racing championship on my custom track. It's more not for racing, it's more for testing, but we can make a racing between these cars. Which car will come from the start, from the corner to the second corner, and to the booster and to the finish? This car will win. Not every car can beat this fast corner. As you can see here, many cars fell down right here. Maybe I should make a repair some for this track, maybe modify it, because many fails of the car. But it's more interesting because not every car can produce this. Okay, let's add additional cars today for our racing. It will be bus and the Russian military, not military, fire rescue track, and the police bus, of course. It's interesting. Let's start from the bus. Bus is stopped on the first corner, but it's a very funny casting. Please write in the comments about it if you like it. Another one, Russian truck from the fire support. Okay, truck is going on and stand out near the bus. Okay. The next car will be Hyundai from the Technopark Russian company. Okay, let's start this. It's stuck around this two wonderful bus and truck. Okay, next car will be premium Seiko. Let's start Seiko. What do you think? BMW can make this track or not? I repeat, this car have a rubber tires, and this is a problem. Car on the rubber tires even didn't make it on the first corner. That's funny because rubber tires didn't help any car to pass through this track. I want to show you a long time ago. This is my first Matchbox car. I didn't have Hot Wheels in my childhood, but I only have one of this Matchbox. Yep, it's from a childhood. It's Ford Transit Matchbox from 1986. It have a suspension. In those days, in the past years, Matchbox makes suspension on their cars. Look here, a very wonderful soft suspension. So let's test this car on this track. It will be interesting how Matchbox can. Matchbox is better than this for cars, even with the suspension, but it fell down. Okay, it's not a problem. Russian Lada. Russian Lada time. Russian car start and beat almost fell near the Matchbox. Nice suspension anyway. I forget about this name. Lada Granta. Very wonderful color of this car. Did you find this color a perfect painting or not? It's like somebody have a art on this car by itself, but it's not me. This car I found in the die-cast egg some time ago, and this Russian car is looking very, very wonderful, very beautiful, nice paint on it. I really love this Russian casting. Very good company, Auto Grand, and this car isn't so slow. It can do almost perfect, almost past our first corner. For example, we can take a fast car from Hot Wheels. It's very, very fast. And even this car can fall from the first corner because it's a very hard, complicated test for every car. Look here. Oh, oh. Almost done, but fell at the end. Also, we have a Hot Wheels tracks for you today, and I can show a track on this truck on this track. Truck and track. I always misspelling these words because they're so near, truck and track. So Hot Wheels truck on a Hot Wheels track. Let's do it, guys. This truck is fast, but it's stick on the middle of this wonderful fast corner. It's all that can do a Hot Wheels truck. I also have a Matchbox truck. Oh, it's not Matchbox, I'm sorry. It's Majorette track, of course. It's Majorette, French company, French manufacturer. Very wonderful track is opening system. I very love Majorette. Do you love Majorette, guys? Please write in the comments if you love Majorette. Let's look how Majorette truck will be on this wonderful Hot Wheels track. Okay, nice. Falling down. It was a beautiful falling. It's coming from here and falling. Woo! It was funny. Okay, Mercedes from Asico. A very wonderful customer with very wonderful details here. I so much love this Mercedes. Guys, do you have any SICK in your collection? Please write in the comments. Okay, maybe you want to see any car on this testing. Please write in the comments what car racing and testing do you want to see on this track. Maybe I will do it. Okay, Mercedes started. Not bad at all. It's come through this track and stop on the center. It was nice try. My receiver just plug in and wanna play some music, but I am off it. Okay, last car today I wanna show you is this wonderful train. It's motoring, Locomotive from a Hot Wheels made in Malaysia. New custom from 2019. I love this red base of this wonderful Locomotive. It's like a train from the cartoon. Did you remember this cartoon with these trains? Maybe you watch this on your childhood. Please write in the comments about this. I very love this. It's very fast. I think today it can even beat this corner. And maybe it will finish. Let's look on it. Let's start. Okay, we believe in... Oh, nice. Nice. Yep. As I said before, this wonderful train came across all of this Hot Wheels track. And I'm so wondering that it can beat all the cars here. I even have a Hot Wheels truck. And I already tested it on this track. And it's looks not bad here, but it stops maybe on the first corner. Maybe I need to do something with the starter. Okay, let's try again. The truck on the track, a big truck with a platform. So I think I need to do some modification to this track, because my cars should go much faster than they go now. Maybe we will try to do this at the start. Let's test this on this wonderful Audi A1 from the Majorette. Okay, let's start. Nice, but not perfect. Let's try it on this train. We need to turn on this booster. Turn it on. So let's start it. Oh, this thing I think slowed down a bit of slowdown of our cars, so I need to put this back off on the down. Some modification on the track, as you can see here. And of course I have a Tesla. We can test some Tesla Model 3 white one, and one Tesla is one of the fastest Tesla ever I have. So it came across first corner, it came across second and stops. A little bit cannot be finished here. So I want to say hello for my friend David from the United States. He sent me this United States flag. I use it now on my track for Hot Wheels because you know Hot Wheels is a American USA company. And it's great to use this flag right on my track, on my keyboard. Do you think it's perfect or not? Write in the comments. Okay. The next car we will try to put on the track today will be this wonderful Audi R8. Let's start it. R8 started. Oh, it stops right in the middle of this corner. I also have many Hot Wheels cars like this Manga Tuner. Let's start this Manga Tuner and look how it can be. Oh, it fell down in the first corner. Okay. So guys, I want to show you my another trucks. It's time to show you another of my trucks. I have this track for my fourth TikTok channel with the corner, with the booster. It's funny because many cars comes around corner and start to drift here, and it's very funny. I think maybe we should also take away this strip for the track and maybe let them boost. Not boost, let them drift, of course. Let's try to remove this thing. Okay. Okay. How are you guys? Please write in the comments, how are you? Do you like this video or not? Do you like this video style or not? Okay, now it's removed. Prepare for the noise. I'm turning on this wonderful booster. And you know, we now trying to test this wonderful BMW from Valley. Let's start it here. We have a starter. Okay, okay, nice! Woohoo! Did you see this? Did you see this, guys? Impossible! It jumped from the jumper, jump here on the next strip of the track and finish here. Oh, that was awesome. Now Audi. Nice drift, Audi. Very wonderful track. It's new one. I'm on the testing of it. I have many cars from review. A letter from David, worst YouTube channel ever. Thank you, David, for your mail calls. I love your cars very well. I love Ferraris you send me. As you know, guys, David sometime before sent me some Ferraris, like this one from Hot Wheels. I very love it. And like this one from a Matchbox, I very love it, and I'm so excited. David, thank you very much again. This is my car's garage. Cars parking. It's fantasy car on the upside. It's American USA cars here. It's German cars mostly, some Italian, and some British cars here. Russian cars here. And Japan GGM cars are here. So it's my car parking. And the most excited track I have, and I grow a bit my TikTok channel to almost 400,000 subscribers. It's my 6-lane Hot Wheels track. It's custom. I make a long side of it because track should stop here with this gate, but I make additional long side of it, and I make by myself these wonderful tables with fake Forget about this fake. I forget word in Russian. It's a trava, but how it will be in English? Grass, of course, fake grass. There's many cars on this track, and the wonderful thing, I very love to make racing on this track. For example, we'll take this BMW X5 and wonderful Hammer, and I will show you. Oh, this started, and the Hammer wins this racing. Okay, this track is so wonderful. I so love it. It's my best track, I think, but it's very expensive. Tables are expensive, the track expensive, expendable part of it is expensive, but I very love it. It's great. It's my tables for review. I mostly do a review for cars on my Russian channels. Of course, sometimes I do a review for you on the English language, and if you ask for, I can make more reviews. But the problem is, when I make a review on Russian language, they about 1000 views. When I make a review on English language, they about on the WheelsHot channel, maybe 100 views, maybe 150 views. Why you didn't watch my reviews? Maybe I'm bad in review. Please write in the comments if you think so. The another table for review is here. It's a white one with a weight. What's name is for this thing? We can we can check weight for each car here. It's very wonderful for you. A Russian magazine about cars. Very wonderful. I love it. Some packs for review waiting here because I don't have much time to make all of this. Some cars are stuck here also for reviews on the backs, of course, also many of cars. And I have a custom Hot Wheels 20 set. Maybe I should make days a review for it. Okay, I think it's time to end this video. And before ending, I will show you my last custom track for Hot Wheels. It's a TikTok WheelsHot channel. It's the last modification for this track. I remake the end of this track and I will show you how car can beat this track from the start till the end. Look here on the first corner, on the second corner, and to the finish line. Okay, it's finished on the snake. I hope, guys, you like this video. I show you all my tracks for now. I'll show you my car parking. I hope you like this video. Please write as many comments as you want. Ask as many questions as you want. I will try to answer on all of them. It was Victor from the WheelsHot channel. Love you all. Bye.